Hi, this is Ultrasonic Sensor and this is my presentation for Project 2. I was using an ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance and to use the response from that to get a rotation of motors to get movement. So this is my breadboard so far, what I have so far. Okay. I used the serial monitor temporarily because I currently don't have a working LCD. I have a bit of challenges for those, so whenever it's out of the 30 centimeter range, it displays distance out of range, as you can see, because there's nothing going on. And then I use my ultrasonic sensor and three LEDs to display like different stages of the distances. And I also used an external supply for my DC motors, and I have a DC motor circuit to drive both of the motors. Okay, let's get into the presentation. This is my distance in centimeters, and when I started, it starts at 30 centimeters, and to display that it's within 30 centimeters, I have an LED going on, and then I have also a range from 20 to 10. So as I move forward, I have a change in the distances. Okay. So let me do this quickly. So when it's in the 30 centimeter range, 20 to 30, one LED goes on, and then from 20 to 10, the other LED goes on, and then okay, there it is. And from my 10 to 0 centimeters, one LED goes on. Then the moment it gets into the 5 centimeter range, my motors start rotating, both of them. Then when I leave it, when I'm in my 6 to 7, they rotate the other way, and then from 5 to 0, they rotate forward. So that's basically how it operates. And when I'm in my 5 centimeter range, I have both LEDs going on to indicate that they're on, and then the moment I stop, then they're out of it. Okay. That's basically the summary of my ultrasonic sensor and how it operates so far, besides being soldered basically on breadboard. Thank you.